we have to do it well.
You want an Efik man to come and play classicals? Yeah.
Ojebab Efik. Ojebab Obiu.
I mean, Kere, a film or two, Edem of young everyone. Mfunami, Edi Akwausen, Ibindi Neme, Abangade, Utomobong. Utomobong, Edi Nam Ofre Efik. Edi then Kunbok Ofre Efik. The event is aimed at bringing all Efik sons and daughters together. We've seen what our brothers are doing, the Efik National Association in the US, in the UK, in Canada, even our Usen Efik initiative. They have kept the Efik culture alive wherever they are.
Utomobong is all about Efik ontology and epistemology, our tradition, our history, what we are known for. Our dances, like the beautiful Abang dance, our masquerades, the very, very varied Efik masquerade, the Ekpe masquerade. We have one ancestry, we have one root. Nobody else will promote our culture better than us. We all have one shared vision, promoting the culture, the history, the ancestry of the Efik kingdom. And we can only achieve this when we work together.
This is about 14 years now, and the Utomobong being the payment of homage to Amasi. It brings all sons and daughters of the Efik kingdom from far and wide back home to make merry, to reflect on how their year has gone by, to also make projections and plans for their year ahead. It's the unification, it's the Efik renaissance. That's where we've come from.
Utomobong for me is beyond a cultural festival where Efiks of like minds come together to celebrate the Obong of Calabar. For me, it's a moment where I reflect on my roots, and it helps me better understand who I am as regards my culture. It's a place where I meet up with childhood friends, network, socialize. I have seen masquerades, dances, cultural presentations that I've never been aware about, and when I go make inquiries, I'm told that these things have actually been there.
I am Pastor Dr. Bong Duke and Adeida Rakefrebut. Utomobong is a blessing to the Efik people. My message to the Efik nation and Cross-Varians at large is for us to stay united. It's for us to support each other. It's for us to pray fervently for our land.
It is a very colorful and vibrant celebration where we all come out to make merry, see friends that we haven't seen in a while, see masquerades that we have never seen maybe in our lifetime. These masquerades were probably played by our ancestors, our great-grandparents, and we see them coming out. It's always a very colorful event.
We're deliberate because we're a group of professionals cut across both home and abroad, and even in the diaspora, who want to support and build resources for the Efik kingdom.
Utomobong is a grand celebration for our king, our monarch, the Obong of Calabar. And for me, it's been a very exhilarating experience. The very first time I attended, seeing our culture all mixed up with the different diverse parts of it. For us, we have one of the most celebrated monarchs of our time, not just in Africa, but also in the world.
Utomobong, a gathering of the 12 ancestral families of the Efik kingdom to celebrate and encourage their king, who has been fearless in defending his people. The celebration has grown in leaps and bounds and become a tourism spectacle as sons, daughters, and friends of the Efik kingdom come together from all over the world to pay obeisance to the king.
Itong we masong fi amasi nyen.
Amasi, itongo emasongfi.